Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Solana from OKX to a US address, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Solana from OKX to a US address, begin by logging into your OKX account. Once logged in, locate the Assets section on the home page. Click on Assets to view your digital currency holdings. In the list of cryptocurrencies, find Solana and select it. After selecting Solana, look for the Withdraw button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your withdrawal details. In the recipient address field, input your US address where you want to receive Solana. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of Solana you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details to confirm accuracy. Also, check for any applicable network fees. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You may be required to complete a verification step, such as entering a 2FA code. Once verified, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Withdrawal History section. It may take some time for the transaction to be completed, depending on network conditions. Keep an eye on your receiving wallet to confirm the arrival of your Solana. If you encounter any issues, consult OKX's support resources for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of Solana to your US address. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.